Hello, welcome back to my tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about if statement. And by the way, my name is Lucky from Web System Network. Well, I'll be teaching you if statement in C++. How do we use if statement to make a decision? Well, these are very important questions that I've often received, but today I'm going to be dealing with them. So let's say we are doing an exercise. Let's say an exercise that will allow you to know if it is cold outside, or well, if it is not cold outside, what must you wear and all that. So an if statement helps us to understand how this works. So let's say we declare a variable integer in let's say degree. This will hold the amount, how many degree it is today, and then let's terminate that and say see out how many degree it is today. And then that is what I can take of this moment, but hopefully, and then we store that in the degree variable. Okay, I can type right now. Degree, right. Oh my goodness. All right guys, I think I need to go and drink some water because I'm really tired. I guess so degree. And then now this is where if statement comes from. If degree is less than, let's say it's less than 23. It's less than 23, and then what we're gonna do, we're going to say is code. See out. Oh yeah, sorry. I believe it is cold out there, and please wear something warmy, right? Something warm, to to warm your body. Okay, so end line. And then if it is greater than, okay, no, let's just leave it like that. Else, should I say else? Okay, I'm just teaching you if statement. This is how it works. And then so let me just run it, and then let's say hopefully it work. Okay, great, it works. So how many degree it is today? Sorry, I was supposed to put question mark over there, but sorry, I didn't think about that. Well, it is let's say 20. It will say, oh dear, sorry, I believe it is cold out there, and please wear something warm. That is because 20 is less than 23. But immediately we say maybe something like 24. Something like 24. 24 is greater than 23, so it won't display anything. Now this is it. It doesn't display anything because it checked this condition, or this condition is false. 23 that you entered is not, 24 that you entered is not less than 23, is greater than 23, so we are not going to do anything. I just terminated my program. But if you just put else over here, okay, let me just give myself space and put it here. Else see out. It is not cold. You can wear a t-shirt. I guess a t-shirt, right? And then end line. And then let's enter 24 again. It will display this one because 24, it's actually greater than 23. So let's say 24 again. It said it is not cold. Is that code? Okay, yeah. Well, that's the wrong spelling, but fine, whatever. I think you must also do the same. Well, it is not code. You can wear a t-shirt. Did you get it? So this is what it is. It checks this. This condition is false. If it is false, what must we do? We must do this then if it is false. But if it is true, we must do this, but we cannot do this. That is what the program just did. And then this where if else, I want to also use this opportunity to teach you else if you just type else if degree is greater than 30, sorry, uh, what are we going to do? See out. It is very hard. Right, end line. And then this what will happen, it will check this, is this condition true after you have entered something on the screen. If it is true, we print out this, we leave this one. But if it is false, if this one is false, the computer will check this one. Is this one true? Yes. Okay, display this and leave this one and leave this one. But if these ones are false, it will display only this one and leave this one. Now let's run it and see what we meant by that. So we said if it is greater than 40, let's say 41. Of course, 41 is greater than that. It's very hard. It's gonna display that. It is very hard. You get that? Now that is what it does. You use if statement to check a condition. If this condition is true, yes, okay, let me display this one. Is this condition true? No. Okay, let me check this one. Is this condition true? Yes, 41 is greater than 30, so I'm going to display this on the screen. Well, what if is not well, let's just say if this one is not true, it will display this. But of course it wouldn't, we didn't give a condition, because even if we press 30, I mean 70, it will still say it's very hard. Did you see it? Because we did not give a condition for this one to be printed right now. But if we say but let's say and degree not equal to, not less than 50, it's very hard. Giving me an error right here, but and degree not less than expected token. Just a minute, guys. Okay guys, the error is right here, just like it's highlighted red, but instead of, I'm gonna put not equal to 40. So if we just put not equal to 40, if we just run that, it will display it is not code, you can wear a t-shirt. If we just enter 40 and then press enter, it is not code, you can wear a t-shirt. Now it check this condition is, these two conditions must be true in order for this thing to be executed. But if it is false, it executes this. So thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment if you've got any question or any suggestion or any input. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos related to C++ and other software development programming. And we are also offering some courses. If you want to know more about it, you can leave a comment below and I can get back to you on how you can register with us. And we've got professionals that can help you to understand better what C++ actually do and how we can use it in software development.